show you how to, if you're getting annoying pop-ups or notifications, usually that's coming from Chrome or Windows 10 itself. So that usually means that you visited a website and you allowed that website to send you notifications, however that might have been. You just want to stop it. So here's what you need to do. So go into Chrome, you hit the three dots, go to Settings. This will pop up and you're going to want to click on Advanced, and you're going to go to Privacy and Security, and then you will find Site Settings, and there's two areas in here that you want to check. So the first one's going to be notifications. So this is what the website is going to be sending you, like a notification through that website that you visited, even if you have Chrome closed sometimes. So you want to scroll all the way down because these are all the ones that are blocked to where it says allow. So you can see I have two that are being allowed, that because the drive.google should be fine. We're going to remove the Facebook and we're going to leave the rest because the Google stuff is, that should be fine. They're not going to be spamming you with ads. Not yet. So go ahead and hit back. And like I said, you want to remove, here, I kind of went kind of quick there. You just want to remove anything that is not Google related in the allow section. So if you got some weird website or something like that, just hit the three dots and hit remove, and just remove anything that's in there in that allow area, because that's probably why you're getting all those pop-ups. So once you're done there, hit back. Now we're going into pop-ups and redirects. So here you just want to make sure, I'm just going to remove GoDaddy because that doesn't need to be in there, but just basically remove all of them that are in the allow section. That's going to stop up anything that's popping up or redirecting you. So if you've done that, close Chrome, reopen it. If you're still having the same issue, so go to the start menu, type in settings, open up the settings, and then in the search here, type in notification and action center. And then now here, if you're getting so many notifications from Chrome still and you just want that turned off, you can literally go down here and scroll and just turn that off. And that'll stop Chrome from pushing any updates or notifications to your computer, so you can have that completely turned off. And if there's another program around here that you keep getting updates, you can turn that off as well from this location. Or if you want all notifications turned off, you can just hit this off button and it'll turn them all off. But we're not going to do that. I just want the Chrome notifications to stop, and that's really all there is to it. I would definitely, if you make changes to Chrome, restart Chrome. You don't have to restart your computer making changes in the settings area that we were just at, but this should fix your issue.